Today I want to share with you a very basic meditation, which is also very powerful. And I do this meditation myself every day. I've not missed a day for many, many years. And it's very, very powerful once you get the hang of it. So where do you look when your eyes are closed? Where you place your eyes when they're closed deeply affects your ability to concentrate. So I'd like you to take a finger, doesn't matter which one, and put it between your eyebrows. If you don't know where between your eyebrows is, just slide your finger around, feel your eyebrows, and then find that little spot right in the middle and touch your finger there. Now close your eyes, and keeping your eyes closed, gaze upwards as if you were trying to look at the tip of your finger. Of course, you can't see your finger. You can feel it, but you can't see it. But you can look at where the tip of your finger is. So with your eyes closed, just gaze up at that spot. Now don't strain. Just let your eyes roll slightly upwards and focus at that point as if you were looking at the tip of your finger. Let your breath be relaxed. And now take your finger away, but you'll feel the spot where your finger was touching. And just keep your focus at that spot. That spot is called the brow point, the ajna, or the third eye. And when you focus at that spot, your pineal gland begins to secrete. So just, if you lose your focus, that's okay. You can bring it back up to that point. So start by setting your focus at your third eye point. But now open your eyes. Hello, welcome back. There's a posture for this meditation. So in addition to straightening your spine, take your left hand, palm up. Put your right hand in your left hand, palm up. Put your hands in your lap and let the tips of your thumbs touch each other. It's a very relaxed posture. Your arms are relaxed. The weight of your arms is just gently resting on your thighs, and your thumbs are just gently touching. In order to do this meditation, we use what's called a broken breath. And I want you to practice it with me. It works like this. You take your inhale and break it into 4 pieces. Watch. Exhale first, and inhale in 4 parts. And when you finish the 4th part, your lungs should be completely full. I touch here to indicate the upper lobes of your lungs are full. So sitting in the posture, exhale, and now inhale in 4 parts. And when you finish that 4th part, hold your breath in and just sit suspended. To help you concentrate and activate the neurotransmitters that are secreted during this meditation, we're going to use a mantra with the breath. So the mantra for the inhale is Sa, Ta, Na, Ma. It's Satnam, broken into the akadi, the bikadi, the letters, the syllables, the basic sounds. So, S, Ah, T, Ah, N, Ah, M, Ah. Those are the sounds. 5 sounds. And Ah is common to all of them. So, it sounds in your head like this. Satanama, Satanama. So inhale in 4 parts with that sound. Set your hands in the posture. Set your spine straight. Close your eyes. Let your eyes drift upwards to the brow point. Exhale completely. And begin. Now, hold your breath. Satanama, 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 Satanama. Exhale in two parts. Waheguru. And when you finish that second part, and it should be powerful, all your breath is out. So let's review. In-breath is 4 parts. Then the breath is suspended, held in, and you sit perfectly still, holding each cell of your body suspended, while you silently say, Satanama, 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 Satanama. Powerful exhale, Waheguru, in 2 strokes. So this meditation is completely silent. It's all with the breath. And you create the rhythm, and you create the sound within yourself. So set yourself, and I'm going to chant the sounds out loud, but I want you to close your eyes and do the sounds internally. Now set yourself in the asana with your hands resting on each other, shoulders relaxed, spine straight. And let your eyes close and roll them up lightly and gently, gazing at the brow point. And take a deep breath. And now exhale that breath out completely and begin to inhale in 4 parts. Sa, ta, na, ma. Hold the breath. Sa, ta, na, ma. Sa, ta, na, ma. Sa, ta, na, ma. Sa, ta, na, ma. Exhale in 2 parts. Waheguru. Now begin again. Inhale in 4. Four parts. Hold. Now take a deep breath. Keep your eyes closed, relax your breath. And just sit for a moment and feel the energy in your body. And you'll hear the sound of Satanama inside, just resounding silently. And now open your eyes. That's how the meditation is done. But you have to do it yourself. And the minimum time is 3 minutes. But I suggest you build up your time. You can start with a very short time and then add a few minutes each day. Within a couple of days, you should be able to do 11 minutes and eventually 31 minutes. Start slowly and just build your time up as you feel comfortable. Remember, when you finish the meditation, to sit very silently and feel the effect of the meditation in your body. Meditation affects you mentally, emotionally, physically, and spiritually. But you have to develop the habit to do it. So what better time to start than today?